might just buy Brad's little ass Enduro for cheap. Just to come
Hey,
with.
this mound right here is a
Yo, you're straight right here. You're straight right here. Oh shit!
I was going
No, I
straight through
swear it
some...
was. I know, cause I hit it on my dirt bike.
Yeah.
I fucked up on that shit.
You hit some shit and like it's like, God damn it!
Nope, your phone ain't working. Ain't working?
Yo.
Nope.
What's wrong with it?
It kept saying it's full.
Okay, who cares?
Little
Shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! We just bottomed out.
We just hit the diff.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, alright, don't get too crazy. Don't fucking flip me.
Hey, you said we're fine, Justin.
I'm just saying, I'm squeezing in so if we do flip, I'll hopefully be able to keep enough weight like in this seat.
Yeah, I swear.
Get my legs wrapped up around the seat like I'm straddling it.
This Jeep's a beast, though.
Little bump right here. Okay.
Yo, your wheel's gonna fall off and
I
shit,
hope
and then you're
not.
done, man. Get in the fucking tow truck back
Snap
there.
a tire.
I'll get the Subaru to pull you out. Oh, shit. Yo, hold up, cut it. Stop.
No, hey,
Oh, no, that's
hit
probably
it.
my dad. Just chill.
Hit it.
I can't say yo, I'm off. Oh, chill.
That's your girlfriend, no?
Hello? Yeah.
Something's shaking like it shouldn't be.
Why? What's up?
No, I'm just off-roading. We gotta go off, man.
Well, no, right now we're driving Rob's Jeep through a trail.
Was that scary, Rob?
I don't know. We just drove back there.
That was dope, dude.
How's work? Is it busy?